Every image, PDF, or video you upload in WordPress goes through one real, central system, the media library, which automatically generates multiple real image sizes for you. The real, central library for this site, every image, document, and video uploaded so far, shown as a real grid with search and filter tools. The real upload screen, drag and drop or browse, the exact same real processing pipeline that generates thumbnail, medium, and large copies automatically. Each file gets its own real edit screen. This is exactly where alt text, for accessibility, and captions, both genuine separate metadata fields, are set. The real media libraries alternate list view, file size, dimensions, and upload date, all genuine metadata for every real file. The exact same media library, reachable from inside any post or page, real, already uploaded files are one click away from being inserted. The real settings controlling exactly which pixel dimensions WordPress generates for thumbnail, medium, and large, genuinely configurable, not fixed. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. One real upload, several real generated sizes, and real alt text, the entire media library, visible on screen. Try it yourself, upload a real image on your own site, and open its individual attachment screen.